BurgerFuel's 1964 Buick Riviera. This is a stunning car, it really is. This is actually the deluxe version of the Riviera. BurgerFuel go all out on their cars, they really do. The custom paint just glistens in the sunshine and actually changes colour as your eyes roll around it, especially on the camera. The three-tone quill just fades, it goes from purple to blue. It's beautiful. The name Duffer reflects the stereo on the back. It's got a fair duff going on. The formwork and the bodies of these things is just stunning. It's a real credit to the designers and the engineers of the day. Curves in the metal up to the R emblem is just beautiful. The finishing around the headlights with the grille is something out of this world. The unique wheels really set it off. Brings it into like a modern era but still keeps that classiness of the old nostalgia days. These were called a personal luxury car because everybody actually got a bucket seat, even the passengers in the back. The wood grain trim under the windows and the stainless finish gives a beautiful feel to it. True BurgerFuel style, the boot's always decked out with a huge stereo. In this case, with the side paneling, they've done it to match the wings and the logo. .465 up front with the triple carbs is a beautiful throwback to the era. Stainless trims on the side, reflecting air vents to the back wheels, all done in style and deluxe finish. Really is a stunning car. If you get a chance to have a good look over this car, take your time. There's so much to look at and check out. It really is stunning.